Most of the students are able to learn the concepts very quickly. However, they find it very difficult to apply the concept in a scenario-based question. Here, in this video, I will showcase how a simple concept can be applied easily to score full marks in physics. This is one of the exam questions related to sound waves. Pause the video for a minute and choose the correct answer. Okay, let's validate your answer now. We know that the speed of a light is 300 million meter per second. However, the speed of a sound in soil is 3200 meter per second. Also, we knew that the speed of a sound in air is 340 meter per second. According to this question, we can see that Paul is wearing ear defenders and he can only see. Now let's apply what we have already learned. The speed of light is 300 million meter per second, which is very much higher. So Paul would be the first person to notice the explosion. Next, James is wearing a blindfold and ear defenders. So he will be able to only feel the explosion using the wooden stick. We knew that the speed of the sound in soil is 3200 meter per second. Hence, James would be the next one to notice the explosion. Finally, Sylvia is wearing blindfold, so she can only hear the explosion. We already knew that the speed of a sound is only 340 meter per second. Hence, she will be the last one to notice the explosion. Hope you have got the same answer. Stay tuned for more such interesting videos to solve the problems like this. Thank you.